What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you like classic cars, please hit the subscribe button. You can see all of our new inventory as we get in every week, and you can watch me and Chris go out and chase classic cars. Please subscribe today. We'll see you then. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. Got a new location here for you today. This is our warehouse walk. We're gonna go through some cars we got here at the warehouse. It's not done yet. As you see, everything is a mess, but it is coming along. It's gonna take a little time before we fully get in here. We're gonna keep some of the nicer units here, but we also have our lot. We're gonna be doing video footage over there as well. If you like our classic cars and wanna see all of our classic cars as we get them in, please hit the subscribe button. You'll see us as we go out and chase classic cars, me and Chris, and also you'll see as I sell them, and you can get first notification of our classic cars. So hit that subscribe button for me, guys. We're gonna go ahead and get started. We are going to do a warehouse walk version 1.0. This is the first warehouse walk. We got this beautiful, I just got it in, 1965 Mustang Fastback Resto Mod. It's a GT350 Resto Mod. The car is originally a Fastback Mustang. It's not a Shelby, but it's got the Shelby look. It's got a Fox body drivetrain, so it's got a 5.0 302. It's got a T5 transmission, power steering, power brakes. This car's nice. It's got the removable steering wheel. It's got all new gauges, seats. It's got the cage in it, making it look like a Shelby. 5-speed. This car's clean. It was built in 2014, so about 10 years on the build. It's got no rust underneath. It's all clean. A real nice solid car. And it's got the wider stance in the back, as you can see. It's just like Eleanor. It's got that wide stance in the back. This one's not on our website, but we got this one listed for 50 grand. That's what it'll be coming up. A lot of work done to this one. It's a nice car. 50 G's buys it. Okay, 66 Chevy Nova 2. 327 power steering. This car is really nice. It looks good. AC car. It's got nice Kragers on it. And the car just shows well. Interior's in good shape. $327. This one is 35 grand. 35 G's buys this one. Over here, we got this Ford Fairlane. It's got a 289 under the hood. I believe this is a 65. But you have the details on our website, Bob Evans Classics. 289 automatic transmission, non-power steering. I've had this car for a while. I got it out of the rain and now it's sitting in our warehouse. Got this one listed for 14 grand. And it's a real nice car. It's clean underneath, Southern car. It looks good, drives good. The interior is in good shape. Not a bad car at all. Moving on to this beautiful Camaro. This is another Resto Mod, 1968 RS. It's got a 383 stroker. It's got nice wheels on it, digital gauges. I have this one listed for 40 grand, but on this video, if you mention this video, I'll give you a deal on it, 35 G's. That's a huge discount. That's gonna be my absolute rock bottom. That's all the money on this car. But it's a real nice car. Moving on. Got a 67 Mustang, which I do not have listed anywhere. This car is in my private collection, but I will sell it on this video. This is a one-owner car. I have the title from 1967. All documentation, original build sheet. I have the dealer invoice. I have everything. It's got a 289 under the hood, power steering, single owner car. Now I know what you're saying. You may say, hey Rob, you're the owner now, so it's not single owner. And that's actually not true, because I'm a dealer, and dealers are not considered owners of cars. And it is in my private collection, but our dealership owns it. So this one, I will take $35,000 for it. I won't sell it for a penny less, because you're not going to find a one-owner 1967 Mustang anywhere with all documentation since new. Okay, moving on. 67 912 Porsche. It's a 912 4-cylinder, flat 4, driver quality. It's got some scuffs, but it drives good, it looks good. This one I can let go for $35,000. 35K buys this one. The MG, 1980 MGB. This car looks good, it drives good. Convertible. I'm running a special on this one, $7,500 plus free shipping anywhere in the country. $7,500 and free shipping. I like both of these cars. Okay, 1982 Chevy S10. This is a track-built truck. It's got big, wide tires in the back. I got about $20,000 into this truck, not myself, but my client. This is a car we own. I bought it from him. He put about 20 G's into it to get it in this condition. The engine's all gone through. It's a 350 built up. I mean, this thing is fast. It's loud. Interior's been done. Paint, no rot, no rust. It's got a fuel cell. A lot of work on this one. This is, I think, 11 seconds, 12 seconds. I'll do another special on this one. Got this one listed for $18,500. 15 G's buys this truck. If you know anything about these S10s, there's a huge community that love these trucks. And I will let it go for 15 grand. I think it's a good deal. It's a clean, clean, clean truck. Okay, moving on. Camera's acting up. All right, here we also have a 1971 Cadillac DeVille. This is a one-owner Cadillac. Absolutely gorgeous, looks great, drives great. I have all the documentation since new. This one I'll do for $11,000 out the door, ready to go. I don't think this one's gonna last long at all. Interior's clean. 60,000 original miles on it. Definitely good shape. And then finally, to close off our warehouse walk, 1971 Mercury Cyclone, one owner, all documented, 351 Cleveland under the hood, no rot, no rust, absolutely beautiful. It's gorgeous condition. 35,000 buys this car. This is a Georgia car. If you watched the previous video of me going out and buying it, super rare car. AC car. You won't find another one. All right, guys, hope you like our little mini warehouse walk as we're getting the warehouse ready. Just wanted to show you some cars we got here. But yeah, this is the place. We're not far from our other shops, so if you want to come out, just call me. We'll make an appointment. I'll bring you down here to the warehouse, show you what we got. And also, we still have our lot in Penndel. Appreciate you checking us out. Hope you like this page. I hope you love the video. Continue following us as we go out and chase classic cars and sell classic cars. And also, we buy classic cars. If you got one you want to sell and you want us to come out and film it, give me a call, 215-801-9493. Later.